So guys, this is the Houston Road. So ito na tayo sa King Cross St. Pan. So guys, yung dahil nasa baba. Welcome. Guys, every morning, mga sisters na to. So guys, na-complete natin lahat ng towers, paikot, no? Dito tayo kanina sa Crown Jewel. Dito tayo nagsimula. So guys, every morning bumaba kami sa stairs na to. Ayan o. Dahil kumuha ng coffee and tea sa pinababa. It's our fourth day. Fourth day na ba natin? It's our fourth day. So ito, may free na coffee and tea yung aming hotel. No? So nandito yan sa lounge nila. Yan, no, very UK. They have a Christmas tree. They have this candelabra. No? And you can just lounge here overlooking the street outside. We're basically staying at St. Ethan's Hotel dito sa Central London. My TV. And Christmas, Merry Christmas, everyone. Good morning. It's our 5th day here in London. And itong umaga dito at 7 a.m. So that's the neighborhood. Sa pinagstay namin. And today's itinerary, pupunta tayo sa Tower of London. One of the historic tower dito na lagi natin napapaanood na natin pabasa sa mga UK historic TV series. And then also, we're going to Tower Bridge later. So guys, one observation namin dito sa London is that hindi ganun kaaraw pagka 6 or 7 a.m. just like in the Philippines. No? Dito yung weather parang gloomy. Kahapon sa araw may sunlight but hindi ganun agad tumatama yung liwanag sa mga houses, no? Look at this structure, di ba? Galing, no? Harlingford Hotel. Puro hotel siya. So ito yung neighborhood na. And today, ibang station yung sasakyan namin. And doon kami sasakay doon sa St. Pancras International Station kung saan din kami nag-alight coming from Gatwick International Airport on our first day here in London. So according doon sa City Mapper, City Mapper, 30 minutes lang kapag yun ang sinakyan namin na station. So guys, if you wanted to know kung saan yung binukin namin Tower of London at Tower Bridge, saklok lang din. At may mga time din siya na you need to plan out ahead. So guys, this is the Euston Road. And nakikita niyo yung magandang building na yun. Yung station banda. Hawksmoor. This is a nice building. St. Pancras, London. And so I think this is the
This St. Pancras, London Station.
so hindi siya station. Hotel ba siya?
Or school?
Hindi, hotel eh. Parang hotel. Established in 1873. Ganda naman. So guys, nasa baba pala ng St. Pancras na yun na building, yung underground or yung tube station ng St. Pancras. So guys, itong St. Pancras, you'll notice mas maraming may dalang you can bring it to Paris, Gatwick. So dito na tayo sa King Cross St. Pancras station.
During the platform, Metropolitan Line service to stations to Aldgate, station
guys, we're now going to the Tower of London. So meron tong station sa tabi niya, which is the Tower Hill Station. Circle line, nagkamali kami kanina. So bumaba ulit kami and then hinintay ulit namin yung Circle line. So I guess that's the Tower of London at dyan tayo pupunta. Ayun, sa baba guys yung daan papunta sa kabila. So ito, Tower Hill, Tower of London, the Tower Hill subway. So guys, yung daan nasa baba. Welcome to the Tower of London. So merong underpass. So ayan, may stairs and may underpass sa baba lang yung daan. Actually, nahin ang aming ticket. But look at that. Ano kaya to? Tower Hill Subway, Catherine Docks, Tower Bridge. Ito lang yung castle nila. Parang ganun eh. So ito guys, I'm not sure kung dito sa kabila kaya yun. Parang layo ng ikutan. Wala ba itong direct access? Wala eh. Tower Bridge na to. So guys, this is the London Bridge, which is actually the Tower of London. I mean the Tower Bridge. And Tower of London. So guys, don't be confused. Dito sa bridge yung daan papasok sa Tower of London. Pupunta rin tayo dyan. So guys, ito yung daanan pababa papunta sa Tower Bridge. And this is the Tower of London, Tower Bridge. I'm getting confused na. So I guess guys, ito na yung entrance ng Tower of London. I'm gonna show our tickets and I hope gusto pa tayo kasi 9 check is I think 9:50 na. So doon pala sa kabila guys. Yan yung view ng Tower Bridge.
Hindi ko na lang inano. Masira pa.
Christmas Tower Storybook Adventure. So this is the Tower of London. Wala siyang audio. The ravens. So guys, raven. Malaki rin pala yung raven, oh. Yung mga naming raven nila sa Jubilee, si Edgar. Nice, ravens at the tower. Alam ko yung raven, ginagamit nila for messaging. Sending messages from one place to another back in the medieval times, and the olden times of Europe. Basic sa Europe to madami. At saka pinapanood natin mga British and of course European historic TV series. Gumagamit siya sila dyan. Even sa Game of Thrones, di ba? So, these are the buildings. I know this is a complex. Napanood ako nito sa YouTube. Yung history ng pag-build ng Tower of London. So, marami ng changes na nangyari dito over the last, decades and centuries. So guys, na-complete natin lahat ng So the Roman city wall. So the Romans established a town called Londinium here after they invaded Britain in AD or Anno Domini 43. So that was the year. It became an important settlement, and by AD 225 or 225, a strong wall surrounded it. The lines in the ground traced the Roman wall, and then back in 1000s, William the Conqueror chose the strategic site for the Tower of London. 800 years later, the old Roman walls were reused to defend his new castle. So itong lugar na to, itong Tower of London na to, ay may existing na Roman, no, ancient Roman town, at ang pangalan is Londinium. So back in AD 43, before it was conquered by William, and nagsettle siya dito at nagtayo nitong fortress na to. So ngayon, papasok tayo sa White Tower through these stairs. So para tong Intramuros sa Philippines. And guys, may mga ravens dito, kagaya niyan. You just have to be careful kasi nangahagat sila. So, ka ng raven, no? So, nandito tayo sa stairs, guys. Ito guys, toilet nila. Bagsak agad doon. So guys, meron mga ganitong stairs. So this is one of the stairs, winding stairs here at the Tower of London. So dito pinaputol yung ano. Alis siya? Changing of guards. Changing of guards. So this is inside the Tower of London. So I think there are guards, no royal guards, in their parang baril, no? Tapos merong, ang tawag dyan sa atin ng World War II. May tawag dyan eh. Manhaw. May mga girl. So guys, this is where they believe the execution or the beheading of Queen Anne Boleyn and some of the notable figures here in the Tower of London. So guys, ito yung parang execution memorial area nila ng mga nabihead dito sa loob ng Tower of London. So kung pupunta kayo dito, may nakalagay na note yan na you have to stand and, you know, remember those who were executed in this spot. And one of the famous person or personality that was executed here is Queen Anne Boleyn. And during the time of the reign of Queen Victoria, when she visited the Tower of London, na-move siya ng story ni Anne Boleyn. So, ang ginawa niya, nagpagawa siya ng memorial dito sa loob ng Tower of London, and to commemorate, you know, yung mga prisoners at mga nabihead na royals dito sa Tower of London. And this is the memorial place.
King George and Tinesa. in-execute nung namatay.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa mga parang Intramuros Wall ng Tower of London. So yung bridge ay na tatakpan lang nito. So this is the Martin Tower daw. Tower. So, pumasok kami sa loob. Yan yung place kung saan nagsistay yung mga yeoman, warden, which is technically the bodyguard of the king. And dyan din sinistore dati yung crown jewel bago nila gamitin to, no? And back then, there was an incident wherein hindi kasi masyadong sobrang secured or tight yung security ng crown jewels. But this So guys, yung mga towers nito surrounding the Tower of London, mga museum din sila, no? So mga commemorative museum para sa mga wardens nila, soldiers nila, and yung menagerie nila, which is yung parang zoo. What is that? Tower of London? Ay, may entrance? Yeah, di alam. Pwede rin dumaan dyan, no? So yeah, so visit also, no, the mga towers nila. So guys, nandito tayo sa what they call the Bloody Tower. Yan yung paan namin. Diba?
Bloody Tower.
So guys, basta tayo sa Bloody Tower, which has a very sad story. So guys, ito yung Bloody Tower. So dito yung very famous na kwento ng dalawang prince na mga bata na kinulong dito ng mga around 1500s because of the royal war, nagawan ng seat of power, and nilagay sila dito kasi sila yung mga nasa lineage ng mag-inherit ng crown. But after silang ilagay dito, yung uncle nila ay naging king, and after that hindi nakita yung dalawang bata. So many years have passed, centuries have passed. Hindi talaga alam kung ano nangyari sa dalawang bata, but they believe that the two princes has been murdered. The bloody... Galing kami dyan guys, sa baba niyan, and the entrance, andyan yung torture. So that's why they call this Wakefield Tower, down below the torture tower as well. So guys, this is the Traitor's Gate. It's the grandest and most notorious river entrance to the tower. Famous Tudor prisoners such as Lady Jane Grey are said to have entered the tower through this water gate. The entrance has been called the Traitor's Gate since the early 1600s. Prisoners were taken upriver from here to the Westminster Courts for trial. So guys, the Tower Bridge, or what people call famously the London Bridge, from one of the towers of Tower of London. So guys, magbibisita tayo yung Tower of London. Puntahan niyo yung bawat towers na to. Yung mga bastion, kagaya sa atin sa Intramuros sa Manila. Dedicated siya na may mga museums siya. Itong sa side na to, facing the River Thames, and of course the Tower Bridge. Karamihan sa mga museum dito is all about the medieval times. No? Yung side na to, this is like their palace. No? Nandiyan yung mga armory, yung mga armor ng mga kings, yung mga horses, yung sinusuot nila kapag may mga war. Sa pag nanonood tayo ng mga European TV series dyan, no? Crown jewel doon, yung mga corona ng mga hari at reyna nandoon. Bawal lang mag-video at picture. Yeah. Sa paglabas namin sa tower na to, ito na yung sumunod, no? Parang tong yung scene or yung structure dun sa Game of Thrones dun sa The Wall, no? So it's made from wood, and imagine niyo nung time na yun pag may mga war, kagaya nitong ano na to, parang metal sculpture na to, andito yung mga arrows nila to defend the fortress or the palace. So guys, na-complete natin lahat ng towers, paikot, no? Dito tayo kanina sa Crown Jewel. Dito tayo nagsimula ng tower, kay the Markin Tower. And finally done. Na-complete natin yung mga towers. All towers are museum, no? Dedicated for a specific museum for you to learn more about the history of Tower of London.